Hello, uh, customer onboarding process on exclusive care. We have been talking about how to actually onboard customer. We have covered a lot on this series, and on this concluding part of the series, we're going to be looking at your account areas. What are the things you can do on your account areas? And what are prevention you actually run out of issues like okay, you buy products and you actually want to communicate to the vendor, or better say, you want to reach out to exclusive KR. What are the things you need to do as regard to like what are the things your vital information that you may be asked by the support team. So these are more what we're going to be covering on this particular episode. And I want to do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, like and share this video. Subscribing to the channel is going to give you updated when we make an update just like this very one you are watching about. So make sure you hit that subscription button and like and share this video. Only on exclusive KR is place where we actually train you or for free of charge on how to make use of the platform for your own purchases, be it digital products or physical products. For those of you that are new to the channel and also new to everything exclusive KR, what is exclusive KR? It is an online marketplace where you can actually buy or sell products in real time in Nigeria, in Africa, and the globe in general. So this platform is actually top notch and very simple. If you have been following our training so far, you see that everything seems very simple to get started with the platform. So for those of you that are customers, we have been talking about customers, how to make a lot of things as like okay, how to register as a customer, how to buy products, how to analyze vendors, and a lot more. So make sure you go check out the onboarding process playlist on the channel to get started on joining to become a customer on a Success KR to buying products in real time. So what I'm going to look briefly on this training is just like, okay, what are the things you need to get familiar with on your account area? So when you are logged in on your account, most of us are using a mobile device. So I'll permit me to use mobile device view to be analyzing some certain things on this particular training. So what are the things you need to get yourself used to as a customer on the platform? It's very simple. One is your dashboard. Your dashboard is actually the place where you actually see once you log in, you'll be presented with your dashboard, and it is very simple. Your dashboard just show you that okay, this is your account area. Now, the next thing that is very important is the orders. The order has to do with like, okay, all the products you have make purchases is going to be reflecting on the orders. So when you click on these orders, it's going to take you to the place where you're going to see every product that you buy on the platform. It's going to be showing you in real time on your account area. So that's just the simple thing about the order. So you can see this particular product, I just make an order for it, though I've not made the payment, and that's why you are seeing it here. So if you have made the payment, it's going to be written here. The status is going to be changing based on what is happening as regards to maybe I've made payment, and then you're definitely gonna see it right away. So the next thing is request a quote. Request a quote is an insignificant feature on the uh, customer account tab. So we don't usually make more emphasis on this, but just not that too. What's it called? It's just like okay, you want to contact a particular seller for a particular quote, maybe estimate quote. That's why we make use of that function. So the next option there is the downloads. Download has to do with like maybe you buy a digital product on exclusive KR, like maybe like some product that's digital in nature, like maybe ebook or video course. Because actually, if you're a content creator, maybe a tutor, you can actually list your products. If you know how to create digital products, you can do that right away. So once you are actually buy any of those products are digital in nature, it's going to be automatically available for you here. So what it means that once you pay for any digital product on exclusive KR and that product is available for download, it's going to be appearing here. Even if it is 100 of it, you are going to be seeing it here. Okay, so the next one is the address. You can actually update your address in case you maybe want to relocate from your current base. And it's very important because this is actually a place where the products are to be shipped if you make a purchase. So make sure that you specify your right address here. Just update it if you have a need for that. So to do that, you just have to what's it called when you are making products, buying products, or you can actually click on this edit. Can see it right away. Just click on that edit. So once you click on edit, it will take you to the interface where you actually have to see where to edit your address. So once you edit it, you can actually see that you can configure all the whole thing. You can put your phone number, you can put a lot of informations here. And then once you are done with that, you click on save address. Okay. So that's just it. That's just it. What else are we missing on this update so far? One of them is also what's called a refund, return and refund. So for instance, maybe you buy products and your products is not being delivered, or better still, there is a dispute between you and the vendor. Everything is going to be appearing here under return and refund, right? So the next thing is the payment method. The payment method has to do with, like, maybe you want to actually add up a payment method for your easy shopping experience with exclusive KR. You can actually do that by just hitting on this add payment method. So it's as simple as that. It's not that complicated. So just have click on this add payment method. So once you click on this add payment method, it's going to present to you where you actually have to fill up the payment method. But then there's only one payment method here at the moment, which is page stack. So you can see it, and it's very flexible, just like the previous video we had on this series. So once you click on this add payment method, it will actually going to add that payment method. But then we don't want to add any payment method at the moment. So the next thing is the account details. Of course, what the account details will show you is that every of your details you have submitted on the system. Okay, so and you can also change your password on this place, whereby you don't like the current password they have defined when you are registering, or whether still you want to further increase the security of your account, you can actually do it. And once you are done with filling up the form here, you need to click on save changes for the system to actually acknowledge that settings. Okay, you can also see other features like maybe your first name, your last name, something like that. So the next thing is the vendors. Now, what is the vendors? The vendor has to do with, like, maybe you have buy products on the platform, and then the vendors are going to be appearing here for easy communication, right? So that's how it is. So seller support ticket. Now I told you that, okay, what if you want to now communicate to the seller? So this is where you actually do that. If there is a product that you actually want to buy, you want to communicate to the seller, you can actually open a ticket to the seller vendor. Let me show you something, because it's very important you understand the interface of the platform as a customer, and you can actually find your way around all the whole little simple tasks you can do just to get any of the products on the marketplace. For instance, if I go to let me just check this as a case study. Let me just check this. For instance, you want to communicate to this vendor. So you can actually contact this vendor. It's going to appear on that ticket list that I showed you previously before now. So that's just it. Now, what other things you need to my wish list? For instance, I see a product on the marketplace. You want to just like add it to your wish list. It's going to appear right away here. Okay, so but then there is no wish list on my account. So furthermore, these are the few things you need to understand about managing your account area as a customer, how to actually interact with your account, what are the functions and facilities of your account. If you're actually using a desktop device to view the system, this is how it's going to look like. It looks a little bit robust for those of you that are using a laptop to access the what's called the interface. But then we are using mobile, because most of us are using mobile devices to access the internet. So, but then if you are using a laptop device, this is how it's going to appear, and you can actually do all the tasks that I have just shown you on the go using your laptop device. So what else are you waiting for? Sign up as a customer, going to exclusivekr.com. Just go to exclusivekr.com and then sign up as a customer, and then begin to interact with the platform, and then buy products from the list of huge available vendors on the platform. And then let's all together push this platform forward, because this platform is new, and it's here to take over a lot of what's called, it's going to take over the globe. So don't wait until you begin to see it as in like over hearing it somewhere else. Okay, so take action, because in the next series we're going to be dealing critically on vendor, which we're going to be looking at how to actually list products on the marketplace. So it's going to be, if you enjoy the value I've been dishing out on the channel so far, the only thing we recommend from you is to sign up on ExclusiveKR as a customer, and then begin to watch buy products. And not only that, we are going to be dealing on how to build something like this. Like you can see, this is actually a vendor. So if you are interested in learning how to do something like this, whereby you're actually going to have your own store on ExclusiveKR, then don't miss any of our episode that is going to come up on the vendor onboarding process, just like what we have done in the customer process. So I remain host, Mr. Sherab. Check out the playlist on any of these playlists to get started, either as a customer, as a vendor. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, use the link in the description of this video or go to exclusivekr.com to sign up right away. I'm going to see you in the very next video.